Hello guys and welcome. Today we will be replacing the cabin air filter for 2013 through 2015 Acura Ilx. And in order to take it out, right, because I already did this already. So in order to take out the glove box, this is face up. What you want to do is you want to take this little hinge clip. It has a clip that goes underneath the hook, whatever. Just push it inwards. So just push it in. You should hear a click, right? And now you got these two tabs right here. One on the right and one on the left. What you want to do is you want to squeeze it in. So squeeze it in one side. Squeeze the other in one side. And it should fall down. There you go, it should fall down. And make sure you have something underneath it so you can hold it up, or you just let everything fall. I should have something underneath this box to let it fall. Okay, there we go. Now, next up is you want to take your cover right here, right? I'll plug it back in. Okay. Got these two, got this cabin filter cover right here. And what you want to do is you want to squeeze the two tabs. This one on the right and one on the left. You just want to squeeze it, push in, do the other same thing to the other side, and pull out. Now, to check the airflow, this is what I kind of did, right? Because there's some that says you got to put the air upwards, some you got to point the air downwards for airflow. If you want to make sure and check which airflow the way it's going, just go ahead and turn on your car, right? So you can turn on the air, full blast it. Take some kind of paper or plastic, whatever, like this one right here. Put it inside the interior cabin and see which way the plastic goes. If it goes downwards, like that, that means the airflow is going downwards. But if you see the plastic going upwards, then you should see the plastic, you know, going up. That means airflow is going up. So put it in here, going down. So airflow is going down in that car. Just going to turn off the air. And since I got the instructions right here, here we go, for the thing. It says right here on step number 6, put the new filter in the filter tray with the air pointing downwards. So you can, you know, read it from the instructions, or you can do that little plastic method or any kind of thin paper and just put it inside the air cabin. Don't make sure you don't get it lodged or stuck with there, and see which way the airflow is flowing down. So right now I got my new cabin filter. Airflow is going to point downwards. Just going to shove it back in here. This is the KN95 filter. Shove it in here. There you go, simple and easy. Sorry this video is shaky. Plug back in your cover. Okay. There we go. Clicks. Clicks. Done. Put this glove box back in. Just make sure you know, get that little hook in first. Pull down. Pull. Squeeze the two tabs in. There you go. And that's how you install the cabin air filter for the 2013 through 2015 Acura Ilx. Take it easy, guys.